Good evening, I'm Shamika Neely. Civil rights activist Rosa Parks helped inspire a social justice movement when she refused to give up her seat on a bus more than 55 years ago. Her action also inspired IU students from the Black Graduate Student Association to commemorate a bus sit-in Thursday. Group leaders say they're advocating for change. Graduate student Carl Darnell had a vision to bring people together to commemorate Rosa Parks, a social justice advocate that helped bring equal rights to African Americans in the 1950s. A program in the Neal Marshall Black Culture Center gave students the opportunity to reflect on the courage that Rosa Parks stood for. Darnell wants students to remember her motto, fairness, justice, and love, by bringing issues of concern to the forefront.
Even after those programs, even after the extra added effort that these other programs and services have been in place, we still exactly hit 4%. Sounds like a quota to me. If we're Indiana University, the flagship of Indiana, and Indiana is 9% black, I don't understand why we can't be reflective of the state that we're in and reflective of the demographics of the state. So I want to bring attention to how we're 4%, and we've been exactly 4% since 1975. So if nothing else, that could be a social justice issue that we all get behind.
More than 70 participants boarded a city bus to commemorate Rosa Parks, who refused to give up her seat to another passenger 56 years ago. The group rode the public transit bus around portions of IU's campus. IU sophomore Erica Washington says this reflective ride is a movement of change in the future.
Since we represent such a small percentage here at IU, I think it's important to show that we can stand together or sit together on the bus and be united and hopefully make a difference in the future.
Once the ride was complete, the group marched from the Wells Library to the Neal Marshall Black Culture Center. Indiana University has renamed the IU School of Law Indianapolis after Robert McKinney, a founding partner of Bose McKinney and Evans law firm in Indianapolis. The school's official name will now be the Indiana University Robert H. McKinney School of Law. McKinney donated $24 million, the largest gift the school has ever received. His gift was matched by a $7.5 million donation from the IUPUI Impact fundraising campaign. Let's take a look at your weather. Tonight, mostly clear, lows in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, highs in the mid 40s. Tomorrow night, mostly clear, lows around 30. Saturday, partly cloudy, highs in the mid 50s.